Actually trying to complete the facilities at the Narciso Ramos Sports Complex. We are completing the repair and rehabilitation of the indoor sports building and the gymnasium. And then we are also extending the yung bleachers to complete the arc. Kasi if you notice it, yung isang banda rito, hindi kompleto yun, di ba? It was not completed because of the time constraint before and the budget. So now we have the chance to complete it. So we're doing that. And then, para may yung mga billeting areas, while the DepEd is in charge of repairing the school buildings, they asked us to take charge of providing the toilets and the shower rooms. So that's what we are doing right now. We're trying to provide more toilet facilities and shower amenities in the area.
Ilang ho mga delegates, sir, ang expected na darating po dito?
We're going to expect at least a minimum of 500 athletes and officials per region. So you're talking about 17 times at least 500. So yun, kung 10, 50,000. Kasi 17 times 500 delegates per region.
In terms of funding for the repair of this mga facilities, sir, okay naman po tayo, wala naman problema.
Well, we are trying to seek assistance from some people like Congressman Batawe and the other congressmen, plus some senators if they are able to support us. Otherwise, we have a little allocation, pero yung hindi, it will not be enough. So we really depend on some support from the outside.
May mga event na isinasagawa ang provincial government, especially the governor, itong pagdating ng summer. Wala ba tayong kakancelin? Kasi ito nga, pinakamalaking event ng Palaro, kasabay nitong mga summer celebration like Pistay Dayat, sir.
No, in fact, ang mangyayari nito, like we're going to start with Agona Pangasinan, di ba?
Okay.
And since April 5 falls on a Holy Week, during the Holy Week, we're going to move it to April 11. Okay, but itong tatlong okasyon na ito, yung Agona Pangasinan, Pistay Dayat at saka Palaro, will be treated as one continuous event. So for example, sa April 11, we will already open the Trade and Industrial Fair. That will last up to about May 15. So dire-diretso na yan. It will cover the Agona Pangasinan, Pistay Dayat at saka yung Palarong Pambansa. So pinagsama na namin. Instead of
magkakahiwalay. Para tuloy-tuloy, nakakompact yung activity. Ano ho ang, in terms of benefits sa provision natin, that we are now the host of the Palarong Pambansa, so ano hong benefit ng...
Well, number one, people will come here and they will spend money in Pangasinan. So, yung mga establishments dito, yung mga local restaurants, local suppliers of food, yung mga hotels and restaurants, they will be able to earn a lot more. Kasi imagine at least 500 people per delegation na yan, plus the other visitors coming in to watch and to participate in the Palaro or for the whole stretch. And I am sure even as early as April, marami na rin pupunta rito kasi summer. So if they are aware of these things that are happening in the province, I'm sure there will be more visitors that will come in. So that's good for the local economy. The local small businessmen will actually benefit. At the same time, if we're able to showcase the sights and sounds and products of Pangasinan, because a lot of people, especially those coming from Manila, ang alam lang nila na Pangasinan, yung Manila North Road. So usually, they come from Manila they go up to Baguio, and that's it. Yun ang alam nilang Pangasinan. Yung nandun sa may Ordaneta area, gano'n. A lot of people have expressed surprise. Yung mga, those that we invited to come. For example, yung Philippine Travel Association. Merong ganong grupo, si Nina Gabor. Ang sabi nila, surprised to see that in this part of the province pala, magaganda pa ang lugar natin. And there's a bigger portion here where we have natural spots and a lot of other interesting places. So that is a good opportunity for us to show the bigger portion of the province, which is more interesting actually and with a more variety than just the areas along the Manila North Road. So it will be a good opportunity to promote our tourism and to promote the investment potentials of Pangasinan.
Lastly, Provincial Administrator, ang tanong ay, Pangasinan ay host ngayon. Baka naman yung mga players natin, tayong host mangulelat sa mga, how prepared are our sport, mga athletes po natin?
Well, we have to admit the fact that in the last several years, Pangasinan, in a scale of 1 to 17, has placed below the 10th slot. So 12, 11, yung hindi Pangasinan, yung Region 1. But let me tell you that in terms of supremacy in Region 1, Pangasinan has already claimed the top post. No? Number 1 tayo, number 2 ang Lawag, tapos number 3 ang Pangasinan naman. No? So first and 2 slots sa Division 2 and Division 1 ng Pangasinan. Tayo ang number 1 sa region.